Well, what you gonna do is get all the way up. There you go. All right. Now, you remember how we were working on that back fall, where we go back fall up like that? Okay. Well, this is like this, but you have to trust. Okay. So what this does is this will dump you, and you got to land pretty much like that. All right. Now, the things you got to remember with dump truck is two things you got to remember. Okay. Two things you got to remember. You have to tuck your head down. So put your chin to your chest like that. And as you roll back, you slap the ground and keep your feet up. Okay? But here's how we're going to do it. All right. So sit up. Sit up a little bit. There you go. All right. So you ready? Get your hands ready. Okay. So you can tuck your chin a little bit. There you go. Next. I want you to close your eyes. So you have to trust. When I roll it over, you're going to fall correctly. You don't know when it's going to come. All right. So I can just do. There you go. All right. Good job. All right. Okay. Your turn.
I'm gonna do it again.
We're going to do it again. Okay. All right. So put both feet up here. All right. So last here. Okay. Tuck your chin down a little bit. Okay. Now, close your eyes. Put your hands out. Put your hands out when you're ready.
Yay.
When you feel the fall, that's when you can open your eyes and hit the ground. Okay. So you can tuck your chin. Tuck your, finger in your mouth. Got boy germs all over me. Okay. All right. Here we go. Ready? Good job. All right. Want to try again, Jesse?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Close your eyes. Tuck your chin. Get ready.
Okay.
Ready? Move that twist, Jesse. Ready? Close your eyes. There you go. Good job. All right. All right, Ed. One more time. Ready? Close your eyes.
Hiccups.
Here we go. Take a trust.